All right, Tesla fam, let's get straight to it, guys. Today I'm going to show you how to actually add additional phones, okay, to your Tesla phone key setup, right? It's a quick and easy process, and in just a couple of minutes, you'll have multiple devices ready to unlock and drive your Tesla. And I've added a steps outline for you at the top left. You can follow along there. So first things first, guys, you want to open up the Tesla app. So to start, just grab the phone you want to add to your Tesla. All right. Open up the Tesla app. If you don't have it already, just download it to your phone. Okay, make sure you download it from the App Store or Google Play. And once the app is open, guys, what you want to do is go to the security tab in the bottom menu. This is where you'll find the settings to manage your phone key. So next, what you want to do is under the security menu, just select phone key. Here you'll see the option to manage your phone's access and add new devices. So to actually add a new phone, you just want to tap add phone key and you'll be prompted to follow the instructions that appear on your Tesla screen. So now what's going to happen is it's time to basically pair the new phone. So make sure Bluetooth, guys, is enabled on the phone you want to add and follow the on-screen prompts in the Tesla app. Your car will show a pairing request and basically you'll just confirm that it's the correct device. Now, once the phone is paired, guys, you'll see the confirmation on both your phone and your Tesla screen, okay? And now basically the new phone is added as a phone key. And to make sure everything works, just try walking up to your car with a new phone in your pocket. It should automatically unlock and you should start your car just like you did with the first phone. And that's it, guys. So go ahead, hit that link in the description, guys, to find out ways to upgrade your ride even further. See you guys in the next one, guys. Make sure you subscribe to the channel so I can actually see you